So, where are we? This is point B, and I've just drawn it out here by itself. So we have the 40 kilonewton force that was coming down. We have this member here, which is coming up here. This one is FBE, and this one across here is FBC. You know that because it's an equilateral triangle, this angle here is 60 degrees. So what you have to do is you still break it down into the horizontal and the vertical components. So if we start with the horizontal components, so the sum of forces in the horizontal direction still has to be 0. The FBC is easy because it's purely horizontal, so we just start off with our FBC. We're assuming that now to the right is our positive direction and left is obviously negative. So yeah, we add our FBC. Then we've already worked out at point A that this is 43.3. However, it's acting at an angle, so we have to, let me just get a pen. What we're essentially doing is this 43.3 force, we're breaking it up into its horizontal and its vertical components. Because we know from up here that this angle is 60 degrees, this angle here is also 60 degrees. So for us to get the horizontal component of this force here, we imagine this is like a right angled triangle, and so this part here would be 43.3 cos 60, so adjacent and hypotenuse gives us the cos 60. Then our last force is the FBE, which is also, we assume arbitrarily that it's in tension to begin with, so it's pointing outwards. Again, here is your triangle. This is a 60 degree angle, just like this one here. You want the horizontal component of this force because it's got a horizontal and a vertical component. So for the horizontal component, again we do FBE, which is the hypotenuse, cos 60. Cos 60. There's two variables here, so we don't have enough to solve. So first of all, we go and deal with our sum of forces in the y direction. I haven't actually used, once you use moments at the beginning, you don't use moments on these individual members. So then I went and had a go at solving my sum of forces in the y direction. So I started off with this 43.3. I looked at the vertical component of it. So again, my right angled triangle,